Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Dall-E to generate high quality, eye-catching images for your blogs and articles. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video with your good friends. Now, I'm going to jump right over to I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT. We're talking about how to use images for your blog. So let's ask the robot, can you provide examples of how to use images for a blog? Okay, it's just going to give me some general information for people who are not really up to speed on this side of the digital marketing. I don't want to assume that everybody's advanced. So it's just going to give you some information about images, featured images, illustrative images, image captions, image galleries, image links, responsive images. Okay, so let's just keep it simple. We'll talk about featured images. All right, and let's get some examples of feature images. Can you provide examples of engaging featured images? Can you provide example types of engaging featured images? Talk to me. All right, so now the robot's working on it. The robot's like this guy. So the robot's working. It's working on my request and everybody else's requests all over the world. Everyone else wait while I'm using the robot. And it says here are some examples of types of featured images that might be engaging for a blog. Photos of people. Okay. Stunning landscapes or cityscapes. Infographics or data visualizations. Quotes or text overlays. Personalized graphics. Okay, those are some good ones. I'm going to look into the stunning landscapes or cityscapes. That's pretty cool. I'm going to say, can you write a prompt for Dall-E to create an image, create a stunning landscape image, a stunning cityscape image. Let's see, a stunning cityscape image for my food truck that is operating in Miami. Okay, is that enough to tell the robot? Let's see what the robot does. Certainly, here's a prompt for Dall-E to create a stunning cityscape image featuring a food truck operating in Miami. Okay, I'm going to copy this text. Don't worry, we'll read it once we get the Dall-E robot working. But first, I want to get the text and drop it over here to Dall-E. Get rid of the old prompt. And, the image should be high. Okay, let's just high res. We can, all right, now let it generate and we're going to read it while it's working. And it told us that it's going to create a digital image of the food truck operating in the city of Miami. The truck should be parked in a busy, vibrant area with the tall skyscrapers in the background. The image should have a daytime setting with blue skies and warm golden sunlight. The food truck should be painted in bright tropical colors and have the word Miami prominently displayed on the side. The image should be high resolution and suitable for use as a featured image on a website or social media. Let's see what Dall-E gave us. Okay, boom. Now look, you didn't have to open Photoshop. You didn't have to click around even through the templates. You didn't have to do any of that. And look at the results you got right here in front of you. Now the text isn't necessarily accurate, so you have to kind of mess around with it a little bit. You may have to make some edits. But this just tells you how quick you can come up with some images that are useful, and you can drop these into your email. All right. So here are 4 examples. These are some images. I don't know if those buildings, if you recognize those buildings for Miami. I can get some more variations of this image, so it'll give me more that are like that. Now here's another tip. It's giving me a tip while I'm waiting. It's saying ask for a 3D render. So it's giving you tips. So here's some really cool looking variations. All right. Just to show you a quick way how you can get some images going. Now let me go back over here to ChatGPT and look at some of the other examples. And so, that was, kind of for a blog, and articles are really the same. But let's ask the robot, can you explain the most effective types of images for an article? All right, now it's going to talk to me about an article. I don't have to start off knowing everything. I can ask the robot, and then I can go into further detail with what the robot tells me. So the robot has already said, hey, there are many types of images that can be effective for an article, depending on the content and tone. Here are some general guidelines. Relevant, high quality, varied, alt tags. Okay, well that's fine. Can you provide examples of the types of images that I can use in an article? Can you do that, ChatGPT? All right, so now it's going to go ahead and give me the examples. Photographs, okay? Illustrations, charts and graphs. Now, right now at this time, I don't believe Dall-E can generate charts and graphs. Screenshots, maps, quotes, or text overlays. Okay, I like the illustrations, but what about photographs? Now I'm going to ask it, can you write a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph to illustrate an exciting scene for my food truck business. All right, let's see if you can figure that out. Right, I'm just telling the robot to give me. Here is a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph to illustrate an exciting scene for my food truck business. All right, so here is the prompt. So I'm going to copy this text right now as it's writing it. Okay, all right, so let's copy that. And we'll go back. We're going to read this. Once we get it working, we're going to go back over here and read it. The photograph should. All right, we'll just delete that. We don't need that. Generate. So now what did it tell us? It said that the prompt was create a digital photograph of a busy street scene featuring a food truck. The food truck should be the focus of the image, but there should also be a crowd of people gathered around it with some customers waiting in line to place an order. The scene should convey a sense of excitement and energy, with the food truck serving up delicious dishes to a hungry and eager crowd. All right, now that's about where I cut it off. So let's take a look at what Dall-E generated for us. All right, so check this out. This is pretty cool. Just imagine just some image that you can use in a newsletter, in an article that you would submit to some publication, and you just need an image. This image would work well. You're talking about a topic that would be enticing, that would be relevant for potential food truck customers, then you need these types of images. So it gave me 4 other ones. Look at that. Just like that, you can generate. And now, obviously, I can go back over here and I can change some of these attributes. It says the scene should convey a sense of excitement, etc. I can change some of these things, but I wanted to just teach you quickly how to use the robots to generate the pictures you need for your content. Subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. That's howwhy.ai. You're going to get all of the instructions for your business plans, social media posts, everything is there. You also get 12 businesses to start with AI today and 31 AI apps to use in your business now. I'll see you on the inside. You'll also get my email address when you subscribe, so you can respond with any questions and I'll be there to help you out. All right. Make sure you share this video with your good friends and your old college roommates. Until the next time, I am Darnell Jackson. Peace.